No! So the other day I was looking for an inexpensive drone for my brother, and I came across an ad for a Joinery Time Sim 2 2.4 GHz FPV Wi-Fi 720p camera air pressure constant RC drone quadcopter for only $5. There's only one catch. See if you can spot it. Oh yeah, that's right. It's in the shape of meat. And maybe it's a pillow? This drone is awesome because of the simulation printing PP cotton filling zipper and, you know, in case you can't afford the ball. Can't afford the ball. This ad is just full of insane, awesome weirdness. I mean, look at this picture. Doesn't this just look like a beautiful counterpiece? Place your meat against your lamp. Your guests will love it. They'll say, nice meat lamp. That's a great place to put your simulated meat drone. So anyway, this realistic, decorative meat pillow drone is a real ad. I've put a link in the comments. If it's still online, go check it out. But anyway, I posted this on the Reddit Amazon What the Fuck page, and I got some interesting comments. First one, which makes total sense, was, hey, it's $5, just buy it and tell us what happens. What's the worst that could happen? There were some other comments claiming this was probably a scam, and there's some interesting scams out there. One where basically somebody steals a credit card, and to liquidate it into cash, they buy something else and sell it online. However, I'm not sure how much that would make sense for $5. There's another argument that maybe they're just selling things so that they can legitimize their account with proven shipments actually happening, which could be the case here. I hope I didn't help a criminal. Maybe I did. I bought it. The unboxing of Joinery Time Sim 2 2.4 GHz FPV Wi-Fi 720p camera air pressure constant RC drone quadcopter meat pillow has arrived. So yeah, probably one of the weirdest unboxings on YouTube, maybe. That's my hope. It is from Navigation East Road, Zhangjiao, Florida. No, China, obviously. Big surprise there. So let's do it. Here we go, guys. Big unboxing of the meat pillow drone. Okay, I suck at this. I got it. Considering its lightweight feel, I'm kind of guessing more on the side of it is a meat pillow. But who knows? Ta-da! It's a freaking meat pillow. It's a meat pillow. It's a tiny little meat pillow. Yay, this is great for decoration, putting next to a little lantern. You know, this is just, let me just say, you know, as a customer, on the meat pillow side, it does have realistic simulation pattern. No zipper, as far as I can tell. They advertised a zipper, and it has no zipper, so that's a big down. Let's see, you know, if you can't afford the ball, I would definitely say it has ball-like qualities. If you can't afford the ball, you know, meat pillow. It's about 20 centimeters, so you know that's accurate. Fool your friends. Hey, I cooked you guys a ham leg of a baby pig, and they go, "Ah, I gotcha, pranked." But on the one claim that it is a Wi-Fi capable FPV drone, I might have to claim a little bit of advertising fraud. So it is a very shitty drone. Thanks for watching. No. Are you kidding me? No way! Oh my god!
can't believe it. It's actually a meat pillow drone.